Hello.
Hi there. I'll be right with you, sir.
I'm doing okay.
Work. I'm gonna have to reset it up under the counter.
Okay.
All right. Good afternoon. I'm Judge Garvin with the Payson Course. Could you state your name, please?
My name is Benito James Bahi.
All right, sir. You are in custody for a warrant that was placed for our court for your
Yes.
failure to appear on an arraignment involving case number 2026 CM 12193. The allegations are a liquor consumption in public and an obstruction of justice by refusing to provide a truthful name. What I'd like to do is, since you failed to appear on that arraignment, is hold that arraignment now with your permission. What I'm getting your permission for is to not reschedule you for court on a different day where you have to appear in front of me in person. We can do this by video, but it takes you waiving your personal appearance. Do you understand?
Yes.
Do I have your permission waiving your personal appearance to proceed?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So the two violations that I spoke of are both Class 2 misdemeanors, and they're punishable with a maximum fine of $750 each, plus surcharges, 4 months of jail each, and or 2 years of probation each. There is no jail time being sought in this case, so you're not facing that as a consequence of the sentencing if you're found guilty after a trial, or if you plead guilty or no contest now. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Your options are to plead either guilty, not guilty, or no contest. A guilty plea means that you believe you committed those crimes. A not guilty plea means that you believe you did not commit those crimes, or that you wish to speak to the prosecutor about the case. That's the way to get in front of the prosecutors with a not guilty plea. A no contest plea is not admitting or denying that you committed the violations, but you are accepting a conviction. Both guilty and no contest pleas go on your criminal history as a conviction. Do you understand that?
Yes.
All right. You also have the right to an attorney. Your choices are to hire an attorney at your own expense, waive the presence of an attorney, or provide the court good cause for a court-appointed attorney. Do you understand that?
Yes.
How do you wish to proceed regarding the attorney decision? Waiving the presence of an attorney, hiring one at your own expense, or providing a good cause to the court for a court-appointed attorney at little or no cost?
I can't afford to get an attorney.
Okay, so do you want to waive the presence of an attorney, or do you
Yeah.
want to provide the court good cause to see if you can get one through the court at little or no expense to you?
I have no idea. I got no benefits or nothing like that coming
Okay.
to me.
Do you want to waive the presence of an attorney then?
Yes.
Okay, so I'll be sending you a letter that does two things. Waives your personal appearance that I spoke to you about earlier, and also waives the presence of an attorney. You'll be required to sign that form. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right. Do you have any questions before I take a plea from you of pleading either guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
You're guilty.
You want to plead guilty?
Yes.
All right, to both charges?
Yes.
Okay. I'll enter a guilty plea for you. Now I'm going to make you aware of the rights that you're giving up by pleading guilty, okay? First off, are you on probation or parole?
No.
Okay. By pleading guilty, you're giving up the following rights. The right to plead not guilty and require the state to prove your guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. The right to have a trial in front of a judge. The right to have the assistance of an attorney at all stages of the proceeding, including appeal, and that's what we talked about earlier about waiving the presence of an attorney. Also given up the right to confront witnesses against you and cross-examine them as to the truthfulness of their testimony. You're given up the right to present evidence in your own behalf and have the court compel your chosen witnesses to appear and testify free of charge. Given up the right to remain silent and to be presumed innocent until proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. and also given up the right to a direct appeal. I want to make you aware of possible collateral consequences. Every defendant who pleads guilty or no contest or is found guilty faces these possible consequences. The possible suspension of your driver's license, an impact on a commercial driver's license or other professional license, an impact on your insurance rates, the revocation of probation or parole, an increased penalty for further criminal charges, becoming a prohibited possessor if convicted of domestic violence charges, and if you're not a citizen of the United States, a plea or finding of guilt may result in your deportation or being denied citizenship or reentry. Further on your citizenship is Rule 17.2. If you are not a citizen of the United States, pleading guilty or no contest to a crime may affect your immigration status. Admitting guilt may result in deportation even if the charge is later dismissed. Your plea or admission of guilt could result in your deportation or removal, could prevent you from ever being able to get legal status in the United States, or could prevent you from becoming a United States citizen. Having all these rights in mind, Mr. Bahi, do you wish to waive those rights and enter your guilty plea?
Yeah.
All right. You may file a Rule 33 petition for post-conviction relief, and if denied, file a petition for review. I'll be sending you a letter that explains what that is. It'll also explain to you how to set aside the judgment of conviction pursuant to Arizona Revised Statutes 13905 once all the terms of the sentence have been completed, and you may qualify for a certificate of second chance and apply to seal the records pursuant to Arizona Revised Statutes 13911 once the terms of the sentencing and the timeframes therein have been satisfied. I'm going to review a factual basis with you from the date of incident of the allegations. It indicates that on July 4th of 2026 at about 8:30 p.m. you were contacted at or near 1009 South Beeline Highway, which is in Payson in Gila County in the jurisdiction of this court. That contact was made because of reported issue that you were consuming liquor in a public place. Further, after police investigation, you obstructed justice by refusing to provide law enforcement your truthful name. You are here today pleading guilty to those two charges. Does that sound correct?
Yes.
Regarding your guilty plea, are you making that voluntarily? On your own? Are you making that on your own free will?
Yes.
Okay. Nobody forced, threatened, or harassed you to plead guilty?
No.
Okay. Did anybody promise you any lighter sentence or punishment if you pled guilty you'd receive it?
No.
Okay. The court finds that you entered your guilty plea knowingly, voluntarily, and intelligently and will accept your guilty plea. I'll be sending you a form that has my initials going down the left column. It requires you to sign where it says defendant, and I've made an asterisk sign. Those are the rights that I just reviewed with you that you're waiving with your guilty plea. All right. Would you like to give a statement to the court before we impose sentencing? You don't have to, but you can if you want to.
No, I finally got myself focused and I realized what kind of mistakes I did. And I regret it, and I really do like to keep on keeping myself focused,
Okay?
doing the best I can to remind myself of my incident.
Okay.
I'd just like to share that with you.
Oh, well, I appreciate it. Are you currently working?
No,
Okay. Do you plan on seeking employment?
no, I just getting I just get food stamps. That's it.
Okay. Are you able to work?
I should be going to. I gotta take care of my back surgery as soon as possible too, and that's what they told me. And I really need to get that done.
Okay. All right, sir. What I'm going to do is impose a fine of $300 on both count A and B, but I'm going to suspend the count B. So you have an amount due of $300 for the fine. There's a $69 jail fee for your incarceration. Additionally, I'm going to place you on 11 months of unsupervised probation. Let me explain what that is. You have nobody to check into and nobody to report to. But if you commit another criminal violation within your 11-month period,
Yeah.
this case can be brought back forward and have enhanced penalties at the request of the prosecutor, plus whatever you got in trouble for to commit the violation, the additional violation. So that's what unsupervised probation is. I'm also ordering you not to go on to the premises of Circle K South, located at 1009 South Beeline Highway in Payson, unless trespass release is in writing and obtained by you. Okay?
You're never gonna see me out there no more.
All right. Regarding the $369, our court minimum payment on that is $25. Do you want me to start you with monthly payments at $25?
Yes.
Okay. I'll schedule your first payment due in 30 days from today's date.
Okay.
Don't miss payments, because if you fail to make a payment, it'll go to a warrant, and we'll be doing this again.
Okay, I'll make sure.
Your first payment will be due on September 18th or before.
December 18th?
Yeah, and you'll get a copy of this, so you'll be able to see it.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. There's a one-time payment plan fee of $20 that applies, bringing your balance to $389. On the form that's called the Judgment and Sentencing Form, it'll give you a website and a phone number that you can make those payments remotely if you wish.
Yes.
Okay, you also have the ability to send a check or money order to the court at the address on the top of the same form with your
Okay.
case number. Okay?
Okay.
So that form also requires your signature. We'll be sending those to the jail there, and we'll be releasing you on your own recognizance. Do you have any questions at all about anything we discussed?
No, I've got no question, sir.
Okay, then we'll get the paperwork on.
I really do appreciate it, and I give you my blessings.
Okay, show me that you're appreciating by making sure you're doing your timely payments of the court minimum and keep yourself out of trouble.
Okay, yes, I will.
All right, you have a good day, sir.
I'm gonna keep it clear.
All right, sounds good.
Thank
Bye now.
you.
All right, we'll get it sent over to that general email for you.
Okay. thank
Have a
you,
good
Jim.
day. Good seeing you.
Yes.